A lot of you asking me, how is my life here in the US? Very simple. Once a year, my oldest daughter, we go on the cruise. She took me on the cruise. I'm a good mommy. And then, every 3 months, I visit my grandson, my oldest grandson, in different state. I'm just enjoying over there, going shopping at the Oriental store. And I taking care my sister. Dinadala ko siya sa lahat niyang doctor's appointments at grocery, in shopping na rin. I'm very busy. At of course, very important, I taking care myself. So I don't get old. In cooking, I cook sa mga daughters ko yung mga paborito nilang Filipino food. At I have 2 daughters and 3 grandkids. 2 boys and 1 girl. I'm crazy about them. Every time I ask them, what's your favorite food me to cook you today? Palagi kong gustong ipagluto sila ng kanilang paboritong pagkain Pilipino. At yun. At going shopping. Yun lamang naman ang trabaho dito ng mga retired eh.